Good morning. In this opportunity, I am developing the second stage intercultural project. In this case, I want to invite you to know the New Zealand. This country is located in the Oceania, with 2 islands and 14 national parks. This country offers many activities for your vacations. The season of the New Zealand is opposite time that the American seasons. Whatever your dates, your budget, your opinions, this country offers activities that you make new activities for. You know, and first all, you love it. In the outdoor adventures. In the outdoor adventures, you can walk in and hike all through the country, and you make short walk for discover new places such as English2a or Tongariro National Park. And you make skiing and snowboarding. New Zealand is the country most important in the world for make this sport because is the scenery but for level in the sport. In Kaikoura, you make washing wall and you can swim with the dolphins. And in the day, you make stargazing and discover new stars. In the indoor activities, you make in the other cities like Auckland. In this place, you can know the Maori culture. It is the New Zealand origins culture, and you can taste the best wine of the Oceania, and you can know the place when the Lord of the Rings was realizing, and you can go to the shopping and discover and found brands of the designer. And by your vacations, you can take the relaxing time in the thermal pool, or you can take the thermal therapeutic. Thank you for your time, and New Zealand waiting for you.